your host Priyankar Baid, and today I have a very remarkable guest who is a classical example of a bootstrap success. Welcome Mandeep Arora, co-founder of Ubon Mobile Accessories. लीडिंग ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स लाइक टाइगर श्रॉफ बहुत लंबा टाइम लगता है और दूसरी बहुत रेजिलियंस चाहिए।
You must have chatted in Yahoo rooms as well.
इससे पहले भी थे, हमारे बाद भी होंगे।
I can't sit here to go out. I have to see what these people are doing. Where is
Welcome to Unicorns vs. Cockroaches, the podcast where we celebrate the successes, resilience, and perseverance of bootstrap startups and successes across India, including from tier 2, tier 3 cities. This is a story of those ventures which often get unrecognized, not within the realm of our typical unicorn crazy media. I'm your host Priyankar Baid, and today I have a very remarkable guest who's a classical example of a bootstrap success. Welcome Mandeep Arora, co-founder of Ubon Mobile Accessories, leading consumer electronic brand with presence across India, leading brand ambassadors like Tiger Shroff, Neha Kakkar, and they are one of the leading consumer brands in the mobile accessory. Welcome Mandeep to our podcast.
Thank you Priyanka for that generous introduction. You're very kind. And I'm truly honored to be here. Also excited to dive into the discussion of this very interesting topic. I just wanted to ask, how did you get this name from, unicorns versus cockroaches?
The entire genesis of the podcast was businesses have been typically built in the bootstrap way. We wanted to create a podcast which tells the story from the other side. Entrepreneurs who build very solid businesses but have done it from bootstrap way. Then one thing which was very remarkable about all those entrepreneurs was that एक तो बहुत लंबा टाइम लगता है और दूसरी बहुत रेजिलियंस चाहिए होती है, उतार चढ़ाव कई आते हैं. Which of our animal species actually resonates with that. Cockroaches are those which have been around since the time of dinosaurs. उससे पहले भी थे, हमारे बाद भी होंगे. Attribute of toughness and कि कुछ भी आ जाए खत्म नहीं होते, वो वाला एक था. And unicorn of course is the other side, funding driven, and it's not about good businesses, bad businesses. It is just about two different ways to build a business.
Amazing.
Our audience talk a bit more about Ubon before I get into the questions. So it's been an amazing story. Mandeep, if I'm right, this was started by your father, Sri Om Prakash Arora, and he started as like wholesaler for phones and initially in the retail business. So it's way back in 1999, and you built the business across these many years. It's a very good success story. Just want to kind of start first. What's been the journey like?
My father is from Ambala near Chandigarh. So he came to Delhi in 1980. He started selling VCD VCRs. I hope you are from my generation. You might recall what VCD VCRs are. Like and generation, maybe they know VCD. That is even a big thing for them. My father was selling VCD VCRs. I joined him in 99. 60 by 8 fit shop. I used to sit with him, and we used to sell VCR, VCPs. I had this knack of looking 6 months ahead. And slowly I realized the speed of VCRs, the selling, the SKUs are going down. With every passing day, VCDs were going up. We had no edge at that time. We were just the traders. We were buying from the left side and selling to the right side. So we were not really raising any values for us. In 2001, the cyber zoom, if you can recall, I'm sure you must have chatted in Yahoo rooms as well.
Yeah.
I used to go to cyber cafe. In 2000, I went to Nehru Place. I don't know if you know this place or not. Nehru Place is one of the biggest wholesale markets in Asia for IT space. I used to take my Maruti 800. I used to go there. I used to buy headphones with microphones and a lot of IT gadgets to sell in Lajpatnam market. Reason was very simple. To look ahead into future, what technology has for us. Then we started importing in 2000 itself from China because I could see a big gap. International companies, they were charging exorbitant price for the audio products in India. When I compared price with the Chinese factories, it was like mind-boggling. Why do we have to charge consumers so much? In name of marketing, in name of brand ambassadors, in name of packaging, in name of service, we're literally looting the customers. Here lies the opportunity. Perhaps, hey, we can build upon something. That is how it started. When we started importing headphones and then earphones. In 2006-07, तभी तक में प्रियंका भाई MP3 वाला era आ गया था. एप्पल ने शफल लॉन्च किया था छोटे वाला. साइमल्टेनियसली चाइनीज MP3 प्लेयर्स भी आने शुरू हो गए थे, ईयरफोन्स भी आने शुरू हो गए थे. So we were selling MP3 earphones at that time. Happened was a lot of people suddenly in 2006. I only remember some Afghani Kabilis, Sikhs, and other people. They started coming to us in Lashkar market from Karol Bagh. Here we want MP3 earphones. And on daily basis they used to take thousands of pieces from us. So my dad can't sit here, I need to go out. I need to see what these people are doing. Where are they selling this? Big shout out to my dad and my brother as well. Those guys supported me like anything. That time we had 2 shops. हमने एक shop और ले लिया था. They told me, okay, you go out and study what the market is like. Then I went to Karol Bagh, and now the reverse buying started. I started buying mobile accessories from that place. Again, the intent was to dive into future. In 6 months, we replicated the idea. हमने कहा यार यहाँ पर एक value raise हो सकता है. कोई brand अभी है नहीं यहाँ पर. There wasn't a single brand in the market. In 2007-8, we started doing mobile accessories with the blessings of God. 2010 में हमने करोल बाग में एक शोरूम खोल लिया हमने. That is how we entered mobile accessories. And then 2011 we were like India's first factory to start manufacturing screen guard. 2010 तक ना फीचर फोन चल रहे थे. 2011 में बड़ी स्क्रीन वाले फोन आने शुरू हो गए थे. Then we did some brainstorming कि भैया बड़े फोन आ रहे हैं और लोगों को क्या चाहिए होगा. So we then started this factory of screen guards. 2014 our charger and power bank.
Power bank तो आपके मतलब they are like truly remarkable pieces of art.
हम बहुत प्यार से बनाते हैं, बहुत दिल से बनाते हैं प्रियंकर भाई. To stand out of the crowd, you'll be surprised to know Yuwon was the first brand in mobile accessories to have a brand ambassador.
Who was your first brand ambassador?
Tiger Shroff.
Oh, okay. That is again another far-sightedness. You knew कि he'll become a big star in a few years.
Advice of the marketing agencies. It is very important to take their advice as well. हम लोग यहाँ सोच रहे हैं, हम लोग उस लेवल पे सोच रहे हैं. So आपके पास एक ना हिंदी बोलने का संगम होना चाहिए.
Which leads me to my next question actually is that when we talk about marketing, right? Many SMEs में देखा है कि marketing में struggle करते हैं. They may have a good product, may have a good manufacturing setup, but marketing कई बार उनकी weak point होती है. वो marketing और sales को mix कर देते हैं. शुरुआती दौर में 2017-18 की बात कर रहा हूँ, when you started thinking it as a brand, आपने क्या चीजें उस वक्त की marketing perspective?
We consider marketing as a sauce. Not sauce actually, like salt. किसी डिश में salt अगर ज्यादा डाल दो तो dish goes to the bin. अगर कम डालोगे तो टेस्ट नहीं आएगा.
Very insightful thing. I can put it up in a poster actually.
Thank you. The thing is like a salt. It should act like a flavor. It should not become the whole dish. This is the mistake people do. Marketing को ही अपना business plan बना रही. Marketing is not a business plan. Marketing is the part of the business plan. You want what we did. I'll be truly honest with you. We have a very good bottom line. We never play on thin ice. My mentors earlier told me that man भाई काम करना है ना. You need to have good profit. You shouldn't be exchanging money. You need to have some strong cushioning so that you can always lean back on anything goes wrong. Marketers for the young companies who are really building up their businesses, I would like to give example from Yuwon. What we first did was to find the market. We first saw the market. कि market कौन सी fast grow कर रही है. Mobile accessories, electronics, IT peripherals, whatever going fast at that time. फिर Yuwon ने identify किया, उसके बाद product identify किया, उसके बाद sales team को organize किया. Then we activated our channel partners. ये 4-5 step के बाद I think marketing should come on the board.
हम लोग सोचते हैं कि मार्केटिंग को से कंपनी थोड़ा शुरू हो गई है, प्रोडक्ट बिकने लग गया है, तो मार्केटिंग को पहले ही लेके आ जाते हैं. Whereas अगर आप मार्केटिंग क्रिएट करोगे और आपकी कंपनी ही वो सेटअप ही नहीं है, फाउंडेशन ही नहीं है, तो आप उसको कैपिटलाइज नहीं कर पाओगे.
So can I give an example here? FMCG कंपनी है, उसने ना I won't name them. उन्होंने एक बहुत फेमस शैम्पू लॉन्च किया उन्होंने, and they advertised it almost 70-80% of newspapers across India. मतलब 40-50 करोड़ लगा दिया एडवर्टाइजमेंट पर. एक महीने में हर हफ्ते संडे टाइम्स में उनका आ रहा है. और कंपनी ने 2 महीने बाद जब इवेल्युएट किया कि भैया क्या हुआ, फ्रंट पेज पर हम ऐड दे रहे हैं, ये शैम्पू है, वो शैम्पू है, ब्रांड एम्बेसडर भी डाल दिया हमने, सब कुछ कर दिया हमने, अभी सेल क्यों नहीं बढ़ी. उनको जाके पता लगा भैया माल ही नहीं करता.
एक गुरु मंत्र है, do it when you can sustain it. So actually एक इसी से एक क्वेश्चन और आता है which comes in. Often इंडिया में ना जो धंधा होता है कई बार वो हाई वॉल्यूम लो मार्जिन पे होता है. See a lot of businesses, especially जो ट्रेडिंग जो शुरू करते हैं, as entrepreneurs who are setting up businesses, आपको क्या लगता है कि गोइंग फॉरवर्ड जो इंडिया जैसे मूव कर रहा है, हाई वॉल्यूम लो मार्जिन मोर टर्न्स, या मार्जिन अच्छा हो थोड़ा वॉल्यूम कम भी हो, and then you build your financial strength?
Let's say what we do at Yuwon is हमारा क्या है ना, जो एंट्री लेवल का प्रोडक्ट है उसमें हम लोग नहीं कमाते. That is just to shake hands and to build upon the relationship. So what I'll say is to have a mix of product, 5-10% प्रोडक्ट जो हो वो हैंडशेक के लिए हो, रिलेशनशिप बिल्डिंग के लिए हो, आपने काउंटर में घुस गया किसी के. एक
इसमें एक क्वेश्चन आ रहा है कि इंडिया में आई हैव हर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ टॉक अबाउट प्रीमियमाइजेशन हैपनिंग, कि पीपल आर मूविंग, अपना जिसका भी जितना बजट है उस बजट के अंदर वो महंगी चीज देखता है या थोड़ी बेटर चीज देखता है फीचर लेवल।
ऑसम, आपने क्या एनालाइज किया, आपने ये हो रहा है, एग्जैक्टली हो रहा है। और हमारे सेगमेंट में तो पर्टिकुलरली हो रहा है। ऐसे ही पहले वायर्ड ईयरफोन्स आते थे, अब भी कस्टमर इज स्विचिंग टू वायरलेस, दे आर गोइंग टू TWS, the twin side earphones, they are going to neck bands, they are going to wireless headphones. So ये eventually हो रहा है, and this is happening very fast. Everyone wants to move up the ladder, let it be his corporate space or let it be his personal space.
That's very well said. So that moves to me to another point, which I think जो आपने शुरुआत में बोला था कि सेल्स टीम बनानी चाहिए एंड एक चैनल बनाना चाहिए, राइट? बेसिकली आपका चैनल की डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन काफी है। आई नो दैट Tier 3, Tier 4 सिटीज में भी U1 दिखता है। दिस इज बिकॉज इंडिया इज अ वेरी वाइड कंट्री, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एक की स्ट्रेंथ एरिया है, तो उसको कैसे बनाया जाए?
फर्स्ट इज आई से आपके पास प्रोडक्ट रेंज आ गई, आपके पास मार्केट आ गई, आपके पास जब आप मार्केट ढूंढते हो ना, आई गेस सबसे पहले तो होलसेल मार्केट में जाके फाइंड अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, उसके बाद वॉल्यूम आएगा, वो शूट करेगा आपका 100 किलोमीटर 200 किलोमीटर के रेंज में शूट करेगा। जब वो शूट करेगा तो आपको इंक्वायरीज आएंगी आपको 200 किलोमीटर से भी।
एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर और एक होलसेलर में मेंटालिटी में क्या फर्क है?
होलसेलर जो है ना, वो दुकान पे बैठ कर भी देख सकता है, वो distributor has got 8 to 10 guys and he will be distributing in the particular territory.
बट अगर आप एक नए ब्रांड हो रिलेटिवली फॉर एग्जांपल, तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर आप पे क्यों बेट करेगा?
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है आपका। तो यूएसपी ऑफ U1 कुछ भी करने से पहले पूछते हैं पहला मार्केट, सेकंड प्रोडक्ट। हमें अपने प्रोडक्ट में कुछ ना कुछ यूनिक यूएसपी तो लानी ही पड़ेगी जो कस्टमर की कोई बर्निंग प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर रहा हो। Unless and until we are solving the burning problem of the customer will not buy from us.
That is actually a very useful point क्योंकि often we tend to think कि price is the only differentiator in India. More than price, value is the main differentiator. कि आप जो प्राइस पॉइंट पे जो फीचर दे रहे हो और जिसकी कारण जो वैल्यू बन रही है, वो वैल्यू आपको आगे लेके जाती है। अगर हम U1 की बात करें तो कौन सी 2-3 चीजें होगी फ्रॉम अ प्रोडक्ट एंगल जो कंज्यूमर के लिए है, जो आपके ब्रांड को डिफरेंशिएट करती है?
पहली जो क्वालिटी जो U1 की है ना, ऑनलाइन आर कमिटमेंट। मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज आर फेक बैटरी बैकअप्स। एट U1 वी मेक श्योर दैट व्हाटएवर वी से वी ऑनर इट। जो हम दे रहे हैं वही लिखेंगे पैकिंग के ऊपर। सेकेंडली वी मेक श्योर हमारी जो बैटरीज लग रही है हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स में, वो कम से कम 500 लाइफ साइकिल अचीव करें। सो कॉल्ड ब्रांड्स जो कर रहे हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं, सेकंड की बैटरी लगा रहे हैं। इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द पावर बैंक्स में साहब हो क्या रहा है, आप ऑनलाइन बाय करेंगे ना भी, जैसे सैड रियलिटी ऑफ टुडेज वर्ल्ड, 10,000 mAh में आपको 5,000 mAh डालकर भेज देंगे। नॉट से ऑल द कंपनीज डू इट, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज आर डूइंग दैट। तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है when I see my friend or my customers using 3-year-old power bank.
Actually, as a corollary, right, it's like the Toyota of cars. So Toyota बिकती इसलिए थी कि कोई खराब नहीं होती थी। Business में now you have your father, you have your brother, and all of you doing a great job. Entrepreneurs are usually very strong. ऐसे वो equation divide करें कि conflict ना हो और decision making हो और काम चलता है।
This is one of the things which we at U1 or Arora family we focus a lot on. And I'll give whole credit to my father. He is acting as a lighthouse. So जब भी left right जाते हैं ना, he shows us like this is the way you should be walking this way. Me and my brother we work out every day together. And our gym is like 30 minutes away from our home. हमें 30 minutes जाना 30 minutes आना, पूरे दिन की brainstorming वही हो जाती है।
I'm sure क्योंकि वो uncluttered time होता है।
Uncluttered, undisturbed. You wake up in the morning. Your conscious mind, your subconscious mind, they are ready to receive answers. Apart from that, in the afternoon, we spend 1 to 2 hours. We eat lunch together. Dad, me, and my brother. We make sure we spend at least 1 to 2 hours together.
Again, that is a very important point. This is true not just for leadership team जो आपकी family members, but even your leadership team in general. I think जो communication वाला part है, communication beyond meetings is very important.
100%. And at U1 we believe over communication is better than under communication. Roles are pretty much defined. My brother is more into execution. He is more into purchase. I am the product guy, the marketing guy, more aligned with the team, with the marketing team, sales team. What I firmly believe is proximity increases affinity. The closer you are in the physical space of any person, unless and until you guys are enemies.
In front of the eyes, obviously, more interaction and everything which happens with that. So that leads me to another question. You know, कई videos social media में भी देखी हैं, where apart from push your team literally, आप push-ups कराते हो उनसे. What's the culture like at UBON? How do you maintain that work life? कोई balance है? आज के टाइम में stress भी काफी होता है. आपका especially जो sales वाले हैं, उनका तो बहुत head का भी pressure होता है. Fit कैसे रखते हैं हम? Because I think a lot of companies struggle with motivation of their employees. And secondly, the other part is that work-life thing.
I'm calling Richard Branson for this matter. He says the founder of
Virgin Atlantic के हैं. I would say that Richard Branson is one of the most iconic entrepreneurs. मैंने उनकी autobiography college के time में पढ़ी थी.
Wow.
It's always stayed with me. One of the most fantastic books ever written.
That's amazing. He says your workplace is not workplace. It is work balance. People spend more time in the office than at the home. It becomes the responsibility of the business owner to make sure that they feel better at their office than home. In UBON, what we do is we strive for the culture. We believe a very good punchline: culture eats strategy for breakfast. I'm a fan of this amazing line. We implement it here. We make sure हमारे यहाँ पर every day 3 से 4 बार exercise हो.
अच्छा, every day?
हाँ, every day 5 minutes. Just take 5 minutes. उसके ना फायदे ही फायदे हैं. कोई स्लीपिंग मोड में होगा, किसी को कोई डिप्रेशन होगा, कुछ सोच रहा होगा, किसी को बीवी ने डांट दिया. When those 5 minutes are there, he is exercising. That really lifts him up. That motivates him. Apart from that, we have push-up challenge every week.
So you have push-up challenges. So tell us a bit about that.
Push-up challenge हमारे यहाँ होता है साहब. अभी किसी ने लगाए हैं 60 seconds में, I guess 105 push-ups.
105 in 60 seconds?
I don't know how you did it. But this is something that get motivated. एनर्जी लेवल ऊपर चला जाता है. और आप मुझे बताओ, बड़ा हुआ एनर्जी लेवल लेके वो घर पे जा नहीं रहे, ऑफिस में ही है, में डालेंगे, वो काम में डालेंगे अपना. So that is beneficial for company, for them, and plus they are enjoying their work.
I think that's very unique. Coming to the last leg of the podcast, for budding entrepreneurs जो अभी शुरुआती दौर में हैं, जहां आप शायद 15 साल पहले थे, entrepreneurship is often a very lonely journey. But what would be, on a personal note, what would you tell to them, entrepreneurs who are just setting up their businesses?
I'm reading this book of Wealth Money Cannot Buy from Robin Sharma. अभी recently यही पढ़ रहा हूँ, तो मैं इसी को quote करता हूँ साहब. First thing is growth. बड़े entrepreneurs हैं, they should be focusing on their daily personal growth. Mental growth, कुछ ना कुछ पढ़ना ही पढ़ना है, कुछ ना कुछ पॉडकास्ट सुनना है, बुक पढ़नी है, whatever motivates them. Ultimately, the main idea is to lift up, to strengthen your belief system. First thing is personal growth. अब personal growth में mental growth भी आ गई, प्लस वर्कआउट, डेली वर्कआउट इज मैजिक.
इस बेनिफिट मुझे जो लगता है ना कि वो 45 मिनट 1 घंटा जो भी जितना भी टाइम आप करते हो, you are completely focused on the workout. You are focusing on what you are doing, and obviously उससे जो एनर्जी मिलती है वो तो naturally takes you through the day.
100%. That is the magic thing. Thing is mental growth. Second is physical growth. Third is to have a very close type of mentors. I have you. I have a group of entrepreneurs who are continuously pushing me कि भाई you have to do this. That is the most important thing. क्योंकि वो कोर सर्कल ही ना आपको वर्कआउट भी शुरू करा देगा. वो कोर सर्कल ही आपको बुक्स भी पढ़ना सिखा देगा. So first thing is सर्कल ओनली. अपना सर्कल ऐसा बना लो आप कि अपने आप को उठा के बाहर फेंक दिया आपको. भैया तेरे को ये करना है, तेरे को वो करना है. So ask them, भैया आपने ये कैसे किया? Be curious, ask lot of questions.
After the first 2-3 years, right, we stop asking questions. The entrepreneurs, you should never curiosity go away. अगर आपको लगे कि सब कुछ मैंने सीख ही लिया है, सब कुछ मुझे पता है, तो उस टाइम से I feel that you start getting stagnant.
In fact, प्रियंका भाई, अभी भी हमारी मीटिंग होती है ना, I am the guy who is the speaking least. I have my answer ready, but I ask them कि भैया आप बताओ ये प्रॉब्लम आ गई, क्या करना है, क्या आंसर्स लेगा वो. And I'm like, wow, यार ये तो सोचा ही नहीं था.
Is one another piece of advice I feel that listening as a habit वो बहुत important है. The last question before I let you go is that you are also a Bollywood buff. कोई ऐसा एक गाना जो whenever you are down or when you want to feel pumped up, I would say business में आपका साथ रहा है, right?
I can't sing that song, but I love that song whenever I'm down. That song is called Sultan.
Sultan, अच्छा.
I use it for running. I use it for lifting my mood whenever I'm down. My team hates me for that. I'll play it on full sound.
Just like to kind of summarize what we've spoken about for our audience. Very valuable. So one, definitely naturally focus on your margins to build your bottom line. marketing can follow once you have a bit of financial strength, because marketing is not a one shot game. It's a regular consistent marketing which really works. उसके लिए आपको naturally funding और strength चाहिए. The other thing which I loved about what he shared was taking time out both for your team and yourself for fitness and also for mental well-being through books or from any other media where you can learn from them. So the curiosity is very important. And one other thing which I would add to that is when you're talking about your product, especially those who are into product business, you need to have like a hierarchy of products in your mind कि शुरुआती दौर पे जो प्रोडक्ट है वो आपका ट्रैफिक जनरेटर है, उससे मुनाफा नहीं होगा बट आपको कस्टमर अक्वायर हो जाएगा, और जब वो अक्वायर हो जाएगा तो उसकी जर्नी जैसे जैसे बढ़ेगी आपके साथ तो आप प्रॉफिट आगे वाले प्रोडक्ट्स में कमा सकते हो. बट ये एक मेंटल मैप आपका होना चाहिए. मंदिर भाई, फॉर अ ग्रेट कॉन्वर्सेशन. हैप्पी टू दिस early in the morning. I know you are a morning person, so it's great to do this at the beginning. All our listeners, thank you for listening in. And this is another amazing story of a bootstrap success, someone who's built his business the traditional way. And with that thought, keep growing, keep working hard, and keep getting better every day. And if you like our content, do subscribe to it for more such amazing stories. And we will try our best to give you stories from different industries, ताकि कोई ना कोई इंडस्ट्री हो सकता है कि आपकी इंडस्ट्री का हो या जिसमें आपको इंटरेस्ट हो और उससे आप कुछ सीख सको. थैंक यू एवरीवन. थैंक यू मनदीप भाई.